Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to turn any subject from a photo to a message sticker, and it's pretty simple to do on iPhones. Just please, first of all, make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment down below if this helps you, and also leave a like to this video. Now, you go to your photos, and to create a sticker, just choose an object, and then you want to press your finger onto the object you want to create a sticker about. So this is that. And now I'm just gonna click add sticker. And as you can see, it has been added to my sticker collection. And also you can add effect to it. So you can add either outline, comic, make it comic, puffy, or shiny. So you can choose whatever you want. Then you're gonna click done. And that's it. Now you can use these stickers to messages and so on. So yeah guys, this is today's video. If this helped you, leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.